worm farm, you would first need the container. You would need worms. You'll need some form of bedding, a block of coconut core, shredded paper or shredded cardboard. Put a blanket over them. Any type of natural fibre will do. An old cotton t-shirt, a Hessian sack or blanket, that will actually break down in the worm farm and they'll chomp away at it slowly. I would not recommend putting your worm farm in direct exposure to any elements, being rain, wind or sun. A shaded position would be ideal. We generally recommend allowing them to settle in for about 2 weeks before you begin to feed them. And then after that 2 weeks, you can begin collecting your food scraps, gradually increase the amount of food that you feed to them each week. The main limitations with worm farming is they don't take all food scraps. Typically onion, citrus, any acidic foods they don't like. The worms may also die, and this is a sad fact, but it's just the reality of worm farming. You know, if it's a really, really hot day, they don't like extreme temperatures, extreme moisture, extreme dryness. The main benefits of keeping a worm farm at home is you have 1,000 new friends straight away. They also provide you with worm tea and castings. You can just dilute this, 10 parts water, 1 part wormweed, and you can put that on your plants. And then the castings is almost like a solid fertilizer, so it's what you would mix through your potting mix when you're repotting your plants.